Afshania. My student number is 101466119. Today I'm just going to talk about the assignment I've done today. Uh, Basically, we have a data set where we're working on pandas, and we're going to see what can we do with pandas, what calculation we can do on the data set. So as you can see, we import panda as PD, and matplotlib, we always use this to visualize and to graph. And the first thing we're doing is this, we wanna we're gonna import the data set we have. That's how we load the data set. pd.read, this is what it does, and this is the name of the file we do. And the head function shows the few rows, as you can see. And if you want to see the first tree one, so we're gonna use head tree. And the next, as you can see, these are the three ones. And so we want to temporarily delete the model column as it wanted. So I use drop function, and which column? Model. And axis 1, it just gonna drops one column. That's what it does. And then we want to just like visualize it. We want to show you that we remove the model columns. As you can see here, it's not there. And for permanently, this is what I done. Drop model. That's it. It permanently does that, and I printed it. As you can see, model is not here anymore. And I use the same function drop. If we wanna remove the rows 1, 3, and 5, we're just gonna put their index 1, 3, and 5. And as you can see, there is no 1, 3, and 5. So over here, I use mean. So what mean does, it just calculates the average value of the range column. My df shows which column we want to use. So and you can see this is the, I printed it too, so you can see the average one. So if you want to see how many times the letter F is being repeated, so we just use the value count function, and this is the letter we wanted to get function it, and if F is not there, you're just gonna use 0. Like if F is not existed. And if you wanna replace it, it's easy. We just gonna use the replace function. We're gonna replace the letter F with 3a, and you can see here it's been replaced. And so as type, what it does, as type just converts the cost column to the string, so we can do some calculation after. And as our replies, we're just gonna remove these unwanted characters. That's what it does that. And then as you can see, this all removed here. And if you wanna convert a cost column to integer, we're gonna use the column cost to the integer as type integer. As you can see, it's not integer. So over here, we're just gonna use the average. So as I said, we just use the mean function. As you can see, these are the mean. And aggregation, AGG, min max, and standard deviation. We wanna use it. We're gonna use this one, as you can see over here. And so if you're gonna use the only numeric columns, so we can, as you can see, we use select underline d type, the number columns. And the next thing it actually was like a perform aggregation again. So we do the perform aggregation, and group by, what it does, it groups the data set, the values by these for these columns. And plot show is so I just wanted to show you the average, the mean of the numeric column by continents. So that's what I did. So as you can see, the mean of the continents, and as we want to label the x value and y values, x values and y values, and this is the theta goes here. This is the side, and we want to be to like a bar kind of graph, and Plata show just gonna like show it, and so we did this again because we want to see how many times it's been repeated. I already explained the value counts. So as you can see for these columns, we want to count how many value counts we have. It's just gonna show it to you. And if you want to do the percentage, it's easy. Just gonna multiply by 100. And so if you want to show the unique values of this column continents, easy. Just use dot unique function, and if you want to count it, it's gonna be numic. Just gonna count it for you. It's gonna be 7. So as you can see, in cost, we wanna count it for the cost, and the histogram. This is the histogram graph. As you can see, we already did this before. And yes, I think this is my explanation for what I did. Thank you so much.